Hey guys, this is going to be a corny but heartfelt video. I received notification from YouTube today, which congratulated me on hitting 100 subscribers, which I know in this day and age, that's not a lot. But I know you could watch a lot of channels. I watch a lot of channels. I have a lot of favorites. They have millions of subscribers and make amazing content. And yet here I am making very rough cut videos of cool cars, that I like to share with you. And I just want to thank you. So thank you from me to you in a very heartfelt manner for, joining my channel. And I hope to add some fun content. I'll continue to try to raise the bar a little bit on production quality, but also things that I feature. I'll try to maybe get some friends, to talk. We'll roundtable about cars and, show you specific cars, and I'll show you more videos with my personal cars, which I'm pretty excited to do. Some cool stuff coming. So thank you so much. Big 100, hopefully I'm able to say thank you for 1,000, in a short amount of time, but appreciate you all, and have a wonderful weekend ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.